Lord, I am standing at your feet today. I have nowhere else to go. If you touch me, I shall live. If you speak, my heart will be renewed.
Do not pass us by.
Do not pass us by. Do not pass me by,
Lord Jesus.
Hear my humble cry. While on others thou art blessing, do not pass me by. Musandipfuure, mshe wangu, ndinochema kwa muri. Pamunenge, muchikomborera wangu. Musandipfuure wo. Do not pass me by.
Musandipfuure.
I need your touch today.
Musandipfuure.
There are mountains standing before me. There are battles I cannot fight. Many times I've tried in my own strength, but today I surrender my life. Like blind Bartimaeus crying beside the road that day, I am calling your holy name, Lord Jesus. Hear me pray. Here is prayer, Lord. Here is prayer.
There is prayer, Lord.
When you pass through the fire, let me not remain the same. When you pass through this place, let your glory fall again. Do not pass me by,
Lord Jesus.
hear my humble cry. While on others thou art blessing, do not pass me by. Musandipfuure, ishe wangu, ndinochema kwa muri. Pamunenge, muchikomborera vamwe. Musandipfuure wo. Musandipfuure,
Musandipfuure.
Musandipfuure,
Musandipfuure.
Ishe. Some need healing in their bodies. Some need peace within their soul. Some are waiting for provision, Lord. Only you can make us whole. You fed thousands in the desert. You calmed the raging sea. You are still the God of wonders. Come and intervene for me. If you open just one door, no man can shut it again. If you speak a single Uche wangu ndinochema kwauri, pambunende muchikomborera vamwe. Musandipfuure wo. Do not pass me by.
Musandipfuure.
I need your touch today.
Musandipfuure.
Lord, I am standing at your feet today. I have nowhere else to go. If you touch me, I shall live. If you speak, my heart will